Alright, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So cereal and cereal. So cereal, don't want that. Cereal, food made from grain that people tend to eat for breakfast. So here we are. Cereal. Cereal. Which cereal do you eat? There are a lot of cereals that we can choose from. This cereal is healthier than that one. Yeah, how cool is that? These cereals are too processed, made in a factory for me. No. We normally eat natural cereals in the mornings. And less processed food. No thank you. Yeah. But cereal, parts of something broken up into pieces. The series is about 7 parts long. All these cereals are needed, so we saved them. Yeah. This cereal was read first. Those cereals were less important. Which part of the cereal, which parts of the cereal are needed? So cereal and cereal. So like for example, a serial code like a barcode. A serial code which is read by a computer so it can get the information about it from a database. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So cereal and cereal. Now, can you use these words in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.